Our treatment goal number 2 is about quadricep strength. Now here I want to share some really compelling data that looks at the recovery of quadricep strength symmetry, comparing between 2 different rehabilitation programs. So you'll remember a few slides ago we talked about high quality rehabilitation and what high quality rehabilitation looks like. And here we see that high quality rehabilitation ends up promoting really strong or really good recovery of quadricep strength. So 9 in every 10 athletes who receive high quality rehabilitation recover their quadricep strength to at least 90% of the other side. Now we can talk about the limitations of limb symmetry. I'm going to park that and leave that discussion for another day, or perhaps the question and answer session. But bottom line here is that high quality rehabilitation is good at restoring quadricep strength because it focuses on restoring quadricep strength as one of its key principles. If you compare that to under treatment with rehabilitation, so by under treatment I mean that either these patients didn't do any rehabilitation or they did a very short, so less than 3 months rehabilitation program. They didn't do any neuromuscular jumping, landing, cutting, pivoting type of training exercise. It was a very short, very limited rehabilitation program, and you can see it makes a really big difference to the recovery of quadricep strength. So here it's only 3 in every 10 athletes who are undertreated with rehabilitation restored their quadricep strength symmetry to 90% of the uninjured side. We see similar results for recovery of hopping performance. Now, I appreciate that hopping performance is not simply a quadricep strength function, it's a function task, but it does have some relationship to quads function. And importantly, we see a similar kind of pattern here in recovery as we did in the previous slide when we focused solely on quadricep strength measured with a leg extension. So when we look at recovery of hopping symmetry, we see that of the patients or the athletes who received high quality rehabilitation, 8 in every 10 of them recover symmetrical hopping performance. Only half of the athletes who are undertreated with rehabilitation recover symmetrical hopping performance. So again, the quality of the rehabilitation that you do really does make a difference to the function outcomes afterwards.